Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will be seeing how can you factory reset your Owlet Dream Sock station. So here are steps for completing the reset and its setup. Factory reset the base station. Unplug the power cord from the base station. Press and hold the base station button. While holding the button, plug the power cord back in. Keep holding the button until the light ring turns orange and you hear 4 beeps. This may take up to 10 seconds. Release the button and quickly press the base station button 4 times. Wait for 4 confirmation beeps. The DreamSock base station and sensor are now factory reset. Set up the Dream Sock again, open the Owlet Dream app, sign in to your Owlet account, follow the on-screen instructions to pair the base station and sensor. Connect the base station to your Wi-Fi network and complete the setup. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and also do hit the subscribe button.